Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome to my next vlog. Kelihatan. Uh, s- uh, so the information of the day is our mentor, our English mentor, Kanaila and Ka Aisyah. Uh, uh, they give us a, a time to complete our vlogs again, and we have to complete the vlog until for 40 comma. After that, me and my friends, uh, all of us have to we are now to complete our vlogs, and I think after the class I will continue my assignments, the assignment of graduation comparison requirement. So I will continue the next vlog because the assignment is make for five vlogs about IT presentation, and 5 vlogs other is IT presentation for 10 minutes, but we can use the Indonesian language because I have finished my IT presentation in Indonesian language last night. So after this class I will continue. I just will continue my English vlog. And in important, I'm sorry guys if you can understand about what I say in this vlog, but I I think I have do my best. Okay, just that. Bye bye guys.